Start.
Good afternoon, all. Today I am Nupur Jain with my teammates Tanu, Chetna, Himanshu, and Kalyani. Welcome you to the podcast in which we will discuss the topic MBA Insider. So, according to you all, what is the one surprising thing you are learning during our MBA journey?
During our whole journey, we are learning very new things. We are learning the things which we need to acquire while we will be in corporate jobs. What will be the do's and don'ts we have to do while we are in a job.
Personally, I guess we are learning time management. Like the in studies and in job, I guess both the things are just apart. But the time management thing is so similar. Like if I'm in job, so I have to manage my time. Time management is like universal. So for me, it's time management.
What Himanshu mentioned that the time management is very essential. What I think is adaptability should be there in the diverse backgrounds. So we are learning to how to fit into the classes, how to manage the time as well as curriculum. So yeah, this is the surprising thing we are learning right now.
And Tanu, what do you feel about it?
I'm learning the time management that Himanshu told us that time management is essential in corporate also and in MBA also. So yeah.
And also the adaptability part, I guess adaptability we are doing, but at very high pace. So yes, adaptability is also a part of.
Okay, so as you all face the interview for this MBA program, so what do you think a college look into the candidate while they are?
Firstly, a college looks the communication skills, that how able you are able to express yourself in front of anyone. So it is a very essential skill a college looks in a student.
College looks also your thinking, that how you think, how you solve your problems in difficult situations. So
Yes, I do agree. Actually, the main thing for me, and I guess for the university looks for a candidate is if you are a critical thinker or not. Yeah, like you should be a problem solver, and what we gonna do is like problem solving the problem in future. So I think.
So adding to this question also, I want to ask you, what do you think, what a candidate looks in a college while they will get admission?
A candidate while looking for a college must look for the ROI first. Second, the student must see what the networks of the college are, the alumni base. Apart from that, how much the licenses it is having, accreditation. Apart from that, the placement, of course, the necessity for a student applying for a college. So yeah, these are the things a student must see.
For me, it's exposure.
Both learning and practical part is important. So it is important that what is the education of the college and as well as what are the placements of the college. Both factors are important.
student sees that corporate relation between college and the industries or
So does networking affect this?
Yes,
Yes.
of course.
It's it's an essential part, I guess.
But
Without
what I
networking,
think,
it would be not possible to get placements for the students. So networking is very essential.
what I think is networking is not something a college have. Networking is something a student is having. So how a student can manage the network, it's basically the student approach.
As I also mentioned before that exposure. So for me, exposure it will give me the networking. Like it helps. So yes, networking helps a lot.
So I want to ask you all, can you share your networking experience you are facing here?
Yes, we are having so many guest lectures. Through those lectures, we are able to connect with the new faculties. We are changing their cards. We are having their cards, and we are getting their LinkedIn profiles. By these little steps, we are working on our networking skills.
The game of networking starts the very first day you entered into the MBA. So like from having the guest lectures that she told, from having the guest lectures to attending the seminars and webinars, and apart from that doing the workshops and summits. So from there the networking starts, and of course we are having right now we have connected with several of the people.
Can you example or name them?
Like in the leadership summit, we had the discussion with several CHROs of like Kusum Healthcare, and apart apart from that LG India. Apart from that, the guest faculties like recently we had Ashish Bhattacharya sir. Apart from that, Abhijit Nair sir came. So yeah, networking of course plays a very role.
So if we talking about the networking, so do you think like MBA gives a personal or professional growth both?
Yes, it gives.
Professional, of course, and personal it depends, I guess.
It depends on the student,
Yes.
what he or she wants.
Seeks for.
For
It
example,
shapes
we are
personality.
having a very much opportunities here. It is up to us that we want to get in those activities and capture the opportunity, or we are just like not having those.
I'll counter here because networking always shapes you personally. How you sit, how you talk, how you walk is basically shaped after you talk to someone or communicate to someone.
Yes, for network,
So,
I
yeah.
completely agree. But for networking also, the individual has to take the initiative to talk to the person. So it is up to the individual that she want to be
But-
connected to anyone or not.
But unconsciously also, we just get some personally, we change. As we adapt the environment, we change, of course. If we take an example of ourselves, we are also changing, like in our behavior, in our spoken, and everything, I guess.
Okay, so thank you all for sharing your insightful thoughts.
Answer.
Thank you.
Thank you.